Hello everyone and welcome to Patentpia's keyword search. We wanted to do a tutorial to show you Patentpia's search process from the beginning so that you have an idea of how everything works and the different types of analysis you can do with Patentpia's database and Prometheus, our one-click analysis program. We will use the Harman and Samsung merger as an example and show you how to identify auto-related patent portfolios not owned by either Harman or Samsung that are owned by either Japanese companies, NPEs, single inventors, universities, or other likely sellers, and show you how to identify patents with only high ratings using our similar patent database. So let's begin. We did a simple search online and on Wikipedia to identify subsidiaries, affiliates, and brands owned by Harman and put the names in a format that could be pasted into our keyword search using the applicable search operators, including the vertical bars and quotations. If you're not familiar with the various search operators, you can go to about.patentpia.com and then put search operators into the quick search. And you can find a guide for the various search operators that you can use. So once all of the names of the companies owned by Harman are in a searchable format, copy and paste them into the keyword search. In this case, we are searching for current assignees, so we will be pasting this into the current assignee search area. Once the results are generated, select all search results and click on Excel Download to download the results into Excel. Next, you will be asked to select the desired data products for download. You will see a list of all of our data products and their descriptions, and you can select all of the different types of data products or just the ones that you need. Since we want to identify auto-related patent portfolios not owned by either Harman or Samsung and that are owned by either Japanese companies, NPEs, or other likely sellers, we will start by selecting to download Patentpia's similar patent database. So click on the checkbox next to the similar patent data product option and proceed to the payment and download agreement. Here you will be able to see the total number of points that will be deducted from your account and the total number of patents that are included in your search results, which in this case is 66,386 patents. You can designate a name for the file and enter the password for this download. Enter the desired name for the file to be downloaded. Put Harman SP for similar patent. And scroll down and agree to the payment and acceptance terms and conditions and click on the pay and download button. While the data is processing, let's go back to about.patentpia.com to download the most recent version of Prometheus. Scroll over Prometheus listed at the top of the page and go to the general guide and click on Download the updated version of Prometheus. Click on Read More and select the English version link. Select Open and enable editing and the macros. Now let's go back to the Excel file Downloads tab and click on the file name of the data product, which is, in this case, the similar patent data, and download the search results in an Excel file. Open the Excel file and enable the content. Now, in order to use Prometheus, we have to copy and paste the data from the similar patent data file into the Prometheus file we just downloaded. So select all of the cells, Control A, and click on Control C to copy the data. And open your Prometheus file and select the worksheet labeled data_#SP and paste the data. Make sure you paste the data into the correct worksheet designated for similar patent data. Then go to the Visualization or Analysis user interface to select the type of analysis you would like to perform. Let's start by going to the Analysis user interface. Now, since we only input the hashtag SP data into Prometheus, we will filter the analysis possibilities for just the ones that use the hashtag SP data. You do this by going to the data code filter and selecting hashtag SPUS. You can scroll through the analysis possibilities to see the types of analysis that are possible using our similar patent data. We want to identify patents not owned by Harman that are owned by likely sellers, so let's identify SMEs with similar patents that precede the input patents. So click on the analysis option next to SMEs patents preceding and similar to many input patents and click on Go. Once the data loading is complete, click OK and click on the resulting worksheet. Now we wanted to identify patents not owned by Harman that are owned by likely sellers in different countries. So let's identify the parameter that can filter the results for just companies that may be in Japan. So go to our similar patent data worksheet and let's identify the parameter for the country of the companies. So click on Find, input country. And we want to find the country of the company that owns the similar patent. So let's go to the SP90 parameter. Scroll down at the pivot table fields. And drag the SP90 parameter into the filter section of the pivot table. So click on the filter next to the SP90 parameter and input Japan and click OK, and the results will be filtered for just companies in Japan. You can remove the SP1, which are the patent numbers, from the rows so that you can just see a list of companies. You can also drag it back at a later time. Now if you want to just see NPEs that are current assignees, remove the blank filter and click on 1 and 2 and click OK, and you'll just see Japanese NPEs that own patents that are similar to and that precede Harman's patents. You can remove the filter for just Japan to see NPEs in all countries by removing the SP90 filter. And you can also click on the numbers in the tables. So let's click on the RPX to see the actual patents that support your data, our data results or our analysis results. And you can click on the URL, which will take you to our website, which gives you specific information about the patent, and you can even look at information about the current right holder. So let's go back to our results. And we also wanted to identify patents with only high grades. So since we don't remember the parameter for the grades, click on the worksheet and select Find and put Grade. And we want to find the evaluation grade of the similar patent, so the SP83 parameter. Go back to the resulting worksheet and click on the SP83 parameter and add it to the filter section of the pivot table. And just select the patents with the high grades. Let's go to B+. Click OK, and the results will be filtered for NPEs that own patents with only high grades that are similar to and preceding to Harman's patents. You can remove the filter for the NPE to just see all results. And you can make other changes depending on what you're looking for. So now that we've gone through the entire process of searching and downloading and actually performing the analysis, please take some time to explore our data and Prometheus's different analysis capabilities and options. Also, because we provide you with all of the supporting data and Prometheus is an Excel-based program, you can easily customize your results to find exactly what you are looking for. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me at jennifer@patentpia.com or visit our website. We also have additional tutorials and guides available online, so check those out as well when you have a chance. Thank you for spending some time with us today, and I hope to hear from you soon.